So I'm the passenger in the vehicle, and you're asking for my license?
I'm asking for your license, yes.
And I'm the passenger in the vehicle?
Yes.
Because, I'm sorry, why again?
A man was merely a passenger in a car, yet the police demanded his identification. Why? No evidence, no legitimate reason, just a coincidental name match. But that wasn't the only mistake the police made in this situation. They stopped the car for tinted windows, a violation that only concerns the driver. They checked the passenger's identity without legal grounds, and in the end they admitted their mistake. But is an apology enough? Let's analyze each error and understand your rights if you ever face a similar situation.
So what, man?
So I'm the passenger in the vehicle, and you're asking for my license?
I'm asking for your license, yes.
And I'm the passenger in the vehicle?
Yes.
Because, I'm sorry, why again?
Yeah, she said something came up.
What'd you say?
No, so you said something came up, you said?
Yes, something came up. I need to check something. Are you refusing?
Yes, I am, because I'm not the driver.
Passengers are not obligated to provide identification without a reasonable cause. Police can only request identification if there is a lawful suspicion regarding the passenger. An unwarranted request for identification may be considered a violation of civil rights.
How you doing?
Yeah, so he got pulled over for tinted windows, right? Oh, don't scream too loud, Dre.
I have a family just like you have a family.
So he got pulled over for tinted windows.
My son, which I explained to you.
Your officer told me, she came to the passenger door and said, give me your ID. I need your ID and your license, your identification. I said, why? She said, all of a sudden something came up. What?
A tinted window violation is an offense related to the driver, not the passenger. Passengers are not responsible for explaining the driver's violation. There is no legal basis to request a passenger's identification just because of a name match. Mistaken identity is not a valid reason to demand an ID check. Arbitrary checks can lead to abuse of power and harassment of citizens.
What does that mean?
Okay, so I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I'm not going to tell you a story. Obviously, I wasn't here when you initially got pulled over.
Dre, you loud. Don't be too loud.
The reason why I got called to the scene is because your father. This is your father.
It's my uncle.
Your uncle. So when my partner ran your uncle's name, right? Sometimes our computer will give us a generic warrant result if a name is similar in the computer system. So when she initially ran his driver's license, she got a hit saying that he's a wanted person by the New York City Police Department. So I came over, I looked at the computer screen, verified it's not the same person. The name is very similar, but the date of birth.
What does that have to do with the passenger?
Again, I wasn't here when you initially got pulled over, but we'll get it from our standpoint.
Your officer is letting me know that you were wrong. You understand that you were wrong, right?
You're allowed to refuse, but I'm allowed to ask for your license. You're allowed to refuse.
But you know your officer explained that you were wrong. You understand that or you don't?
Understanding your rights is the best way to protect yourself. What do you think about this situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.